traders, it's Mark with PPT Trading Systems. Today's video is a little bit different than some that I've posted in the past. Today I want to show you guys a day where I made a mistake and I was completely unfocused as a trader, and all I can say is thank God I have a trading room with students who actually know my trades. And I'm gonna get to that, but let me just start by talking about the day that we had. So this is the morning that I woke up to, right? We had a big up move yesterday, and then we followed by a big down move. I absolutely hate trading these days. Why? Because I have no trend. I don't have fresh lower lows down here. No, I'm trading into a bunch of support areas. But yet, because the way my system is designed, I have an offer zone in here and no bid zone, so I can only look for shorts. Let me show you what unfolded today. Let's go to the trading time frame. So the trading time frame, the morning started off okay. I had what is called a, let me look see what type of trade that was. Honestly, I forget. Oh, no. Okay, yeah. It's called a deep retrace trade. So the actual entry was over here. This is what I call the money pattern. You guys have heard about the money pattern. And so I took a short here, and the way it played out was they came within one tick of my target. They didn't fill me, and so I had to close it. And so I only got 11 ticks instead of my normal 15. So I start off with a $220 win, and then we're chopping sideways here for about, look, from 8:05 to about 20 minutes, just straight sideways in this really small range. I go on a rant in the room talking about trading. I'm not sorry, talking about real estate, completely unrelated to trading. And then all of a sudden, price just spikes. Well, guess what? I wasn't ready for this move. And so I glanced at my chart thinking I'm supposed to be short, so I just entered a short at market. And this trade lasted a good 2 minutes, and they literally just ran me over. All right, and then it gets worse. Just hold on. Just watch. So at this point, I'm looking for another deep retrace trade. So I get short right here at 44.79. Okay? People in my room are short a little bit higher. They got a better fill than me. They got like 44.80 or 44.81. Why is that important? Because look what happens. They stop me out to the tick at 94, and it goes on to be a winning trade. So at this point, most of the people in my room didn't take this stupid trade that I took, and a lot of them didn't get stopped out to the penny here. So they're looking really pretty. I'm actually in the hole because there's $600 that I just lost in 10 minutes. So I lick my wounds a little bit. I go on some more rants. The market's still just chopping. And here's what I want to show you guys. This is why the trend and patterns are very important. Look, what would you guys call this? A double bottom, right? So in the room, we talked about this. I said, there's a lot of people who, if they trade counter trend, they would want to be long right here. And what did I do? I took a long trade in sim, not live. I took it in sim just to prove a point. The real trade that I was looking for was still a short. Even though I have a double bottom here, I'm still looking for a short. Now, what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for a money pattern or a weaker high. Let's see what sets up. Here's my money pattern. Right here. All right. It felt a little crazy to be trading short this close into structure. Okay? But this is where experience and having a system full of over 900 trades comes into play. I don't have to think. I just trade. Now, was there a chance I get ran over here? Absolutely. I could have had 3 losing trades in a row for $900 out the window. That's okay. I've had days where I've lost 5 trades in a row. But let me show you what happened. Initially, they put in this higher low. So we have a low here. We had a higher low. And this is what I told people in the room. I said, I do not want them to put in another higher low here. And sure enough, they didn't. And look what happened here. This move actually broke so fast, I didn't have a chance to change my targets. And I got, my actual target was at 44.41. So I had one at 15 and one at 20. Normally what I'll do is I'll move the 20 back into 15. But it happened so quickly that I didn't have a chance to. And they gave me 3 ticks of favorable slippage. So I actually made $380 on this trade. I could have made more. And so what does that put me at on the day? Even, completely even. I made 380 on one, I made 220 on another. That's a total of 600, and then I lost 600 in 10 minutes. But guess what? Had I not made that one trading mistake, and had I not been stopped to the tick, gang, this is a killer day. Right? But I can't dwell on that. It's, I got to move on. So anyway, I just want to put that together. I hope you all enjoy it. Still working on things to try to get live room of like free weeks set up to where people can come in and check out the room. Guys, we're rocking and rolling. I had students today that just flat out killed it. Did way better than me. I guess that's good. It's good for them. I joke because they somehow seem to get better fills than me. But that's just the way it goes. So, guys, I urge you, if you don't have a system and you don't have a plan and a set of rules, stop trading. You have to have rules so you can trade a plan. You have to have a plan so you can trade for cash flow.